Hello everyone and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So in this video I'm quickly going to show you how to generate your profile code. I've been saying this since second week in January, or is this second week in January, when JAMB started announced that you can start generating your profile code, but some people still stay till today. And now, everyone messaging me, it's showing this, it's showing that, wrong parameter, this parameter, and they don't know the right way. So let me do the video again. I've done several videos on profile code. I think this will be the final video I'm doing on profile code. So please listen to the end and share, okay? Because I'm going to be showing you, okay, how the process is done, all right, okay, and the issues I've encountered and how I've been able to help people. These are some issues I've encountered, and I'm going to explain every one of them and how I've been able to help people. So please stay to the end of this video and kindly share this video to help someone, okay? And I hope you know that registration started yesterday, 3rd of February, and it's going to close 8th of March. So anything you want to do, whether it be your name, anything you want to do, please, 8th of March, it is closing. Everything about JAMB registration is closing. And also to remind you, if you want to get your e-pin, that's your JAMB form, you can contact me. I sell e-pins, okay? So what you do is, after you've generated your profile code, you take your e-pin and profile code and just go to a JAMB CBT center and register. You are not to pay any money again. As far as you've bought the e-pin from us, you've paid, okay? You don't need to pay any money again at the JAMB CBT center, okay? So let me clarify that. Now, quickly, let me put my phone still. Now, so how do you generate your profile code? This is the right way. You are not going to put on the line, no. You just open your text message. You know the normal way you send text message. Open it, type out in capital letter NIN, one space, then your 11 digits NIM number, your own, not your mother's own, not your father's own. So you can send to 55019 or 66019. I think for now this is the one that is really going, 66019, okay? But you can always try 55019, okay? All right, so just be patient. And after that, you will now receive your 10-digit JAMB profile code, okay? As I say here, you now use your profile code to purchase. So when you want to purchase your JAMB e-pin, which is your fund from me, I would need your profile code. So you give me your profile code, then that is what I would use to purchase your JAMB e-pin for you. Then you now take it, to a we'll come back here, but let me just quickly go because I don't want this video to be long, or I will explain it again. So make sure to follow our groups. Don't worry, I'll show you the groups also. So now, how do you do it? So this is the first thing. So I tried it on my own phone. I generated a JAMB profile code. So I sent on my phone. I use 66019. Okay, so I sent it. It will first tell you this service will cost. Kindly accept the charge on the next prompt to get your profile code. Now, people get confused at this stage because they are waiting for a prompt. But surprisingly, the network somehow, what it did to me is that it didn't send the prompt to this as SMS to this number. It sent it to another number. I'm using Airtel network, so for MTN it might be different. Okay, so watch out for that. So he sent it to me as a text message, 99111. He now said, thank you for requesting for JAMB exam check at 15 naira. Data charges may apply. Please reply 1 by 2 reject. So what did I do here? I replied 1. All right. As I replied 1, it charged me. It removed the 15 naira. All right, and I waited for some like 10 minutes and all that, okay, and I now received my profile code. Can you see this? You can see this is my name, Chugoka Blessing Sheon. I received my profile code. I did this testing for you guys to know, okay, what is the confusion. So it depends on your network. It will send you something to accept. So you click 1 to accept. All right, so that I feel is where most students are having that mistake, accepting that thing for it to charge you. All right, so this is the way it goes. So it depends on your own network. All right, just make sure you accept that thing for it to charge you. So when it charges you, just hold on. If you get some, maybe you don't get it, you can try again later at midnight. Now let me now go to the issues, some profile code issues. This is 5 minutes. Some profile code issues. So when you see service expired, please try 66, okay, 019. Okay, try to send to 60019 and try at midnight. Okay, that's the solution to that. That's why I tell people. Let me show you another problem. If it shows you this, okay, it charges you, but you are still waiting and waiting. This is someone that sent me a message. You are still waiting and waiting. Just try at midnight. You can see I told him try at midnight. And what did he do? Look at 2:41 a.m. at night. He said, thank you, Ma, I've gotten my profile code. Okay, so please, that is what you would do, because hey, my God, in fact, it's as if I've turned to JAMB call center on this profile code issue. As I just said in one video that went viral, that please, if you have any profile code issue, contact me. Almost every, I don't want to say anything, but I would always try to assist you as I can. If I delay in replying your message, please be patient with me. All right, so look at this problem. If it says here, your request has been received, it will cost you this thing, and it says unable to charge. When it says it's unable to charge, it means airtime. Two things. Airtime. Don't use bonus airtime. All right, put recharge card, put 300, 500 on your phone. Another thing again is, maybe your phone messaging doesn't accept special codes like JAMB. So you can go to your SIM network, SIM center, and let them activate your SIM to send to special codes. All right, if you don't want to do this, you can just use your mother or father's phone to generate your profile code. That's if it's your first time. Now look at this. If it shows you this, you need to go to NIM to validate. Go to a NIM office to validate your NIM. That's what you should do. Just go to a NIM office, do validation. They will tell you to take some time, and maybe 48 hours, some days. You wait until it shows, it reflects that all your things are okay. Then you now resend again. If it sends wrong parameter, you are sending the wrong thing. Follow the instruction I said from the beginning. Anything wrong parameter, you are sending the wrong thing. I think most things I do see people send, okay, let me quickly go up here, is that they tend to do, they will do NIM and come down and put their number. No, everything should be on the same line. Don't give a paragraph. No, it should be on the same line. Number should be here. Another mistake they make is they leave 2 space. It should not be 2 space, 1 space. Another mistake is they leave space here, they leave space here. So it will show wrong parameter. There should be no space. The only space is just this space here. Are you with me? Let me quickly, I want this video to be 10 minutes and we're done. Let me go back down. Quickly, where are we? Okay, so bad request, you are sending the wrong thing. All right, that is also bad request. When you put there was someone that said my name, you put your name and put your name. No, bad request. Okay, so here, when you see this, it means you have done JAMB before. Your name has already been registered with it. You have done JAMB before. Okay, and maybe you forgot, you lost the SIM. You can contact me. I can help you retrieve your profile code. Okay, just make sure you have your JAMB registration number at hand. All right, I can help you do that. Just contact me if you're having this problem. You've lost the SIM, you can't access your portal. If you can access your portal, when you access your portal, that's your JAMB portal, you will see your profile code. So just go there and get it and do your registration. All right, but if you can't access your portal, contact me. I would help you out. Now here, this is no record found. No record found. Go to NIM and validate this. Maybe people have this issue of, maybe you bought a SIM that has been used by somebody else, and that person has used it to generate profile code. Just get another SIM or use your parent's SIM. All right, so I want you guys to join our groups, join our Facebook groups. Okay, the WhatsApp group, all the links is in our video description box on our profile bio. All right, you can see in the group here the forms that we've been purchasing for students. Can you see there's also quizzes on the group? Join this group. Drop your question on the Facebook group. That is where I can take questions. I can't open the WhatsApp or Telegram group for questioning because I won't be able to manage the group. But here on the Facebook group, you can ask any question and I will answer you. All right.